good at or good with? Use good at when you talk about subjects and skills. Use good with when you talk about people, animals, and tools. Jack is good blank math. Math is a subject good at. Jack is good at math. Amy is good blank customers. Customers are people. Good with. Amy is good with customers. I am good blank dogs. Dogs are animals. Good with. I am good with dogs. I am not good blank hiding. Hiding is a skill. Good at. I'm not good at hiding. Ray is good blank computers. Computers is a tool. Good with. Ray is good with computers. Ray is good blank fixing computers. Fixing is a skill. Good at. Ray is good at fixing computers. Good with computers and good at fixing computers. What's the difference? The same idea, different words. She's good blank swimming. Swimming. What is swimming? That's a skill. Good at. She's good at swimming. They are good blank chess. Chess. Chess is a subject. Good at. They're good at chess. We are good blank learning. Well, this one is for you. Tell me, is it good at or good with?